We're glad you're on our YouTube channel, where we investigate amazing scientific occurrences. Today, we will talk about the mysterious Prince Rupert's Drop, a topic that is quite fascinating. Join me as we explore this remarkable glass object's spatial characteristics. Hello there, science lovers. We're going to look into Prince Rupert's Drop's 10 spatial characteristics, which I'm excited to introduce to you. Let's begin immediately. First, the shape. Look at this teardrop-shaped shape. The drops are made by dropping molten glass into cold water, which causes the center to stay hot, while the outside quickly solidifies. This unusual form that we perceive is the outcome. Prince Rupert's drops can range in size, but they often have a length of several centimeters. They are simple to handle and examine because of their size. Bulbous head is the third spatial feature. Have you seen the rounded head on the drop's one end? That is the end outcome of the quick cooling. This substantial and sturdy head is created when the glass swiftly cools and hardens. The tail is delicate and tapering on the other end. Despite being more delicate than the head, the drop's tail is an essential component of its distinctive behavior. Now, this is astounding. The power of Prince Rupert's drops. The head is much more resilient than the tail, which appears to be easily broken. It's really difficult. Let's discuss the mystery concealed in the tail. The entire drop can erupt with a loud popping sound when the tail is severed, either by cutting or applying pressure. This amazing response is the result of the glass's internal energy being released. Due to their quick cooling, Prince Rupert's drops have a large amount of internal tension. Within the glass structure, this internal tension results in a fascinating interaction of forces. The drop's strength is enhanced by the compressive force acting on its outer surface. The internal tensile tension is counteracted by this force, which gives the drop its special characteristics. Let's clarify the drop's optical characteristics. Prince Rupert's drops display fascinating patterns when viewed through polarized light. The interaction between the internal tension and the structural characteristics of the glass causes these patterns to appear. Not least among these is the occurrence known as fragility reversal. Despite the head's incredible strength, if even a little portion of the tail breaks, the drop as a whole crumbles into tiny pieces of glass. A dramatic loss of structural integrity has occurred. Here they are, 10 amazing spatial features of Prince Rupert's drops. They are genuinely amazing items that never cease to astound scientists and researchers around. We appreciate your presence as we explore Prince Rupert's Drops' spatial marvels today. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing scientific information. Keep your curiosity alive and keep discovering the mysteries of the cosmos.